Probably a drunk driver, parents not watching their child, a pickup truck driver who fell asleep, and many more cases of luck on the road. Enjoy the show. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'd be happy to respond to your comments below the video. The GMC driver drove around all the traffic and cut off the author.
What does CL mean on the transmission?
This driver in the red Explorer races up in the left lane to cut off my bus instead of getting in the right lane behind me where there is plenty of room because he doesn't want to be on the ramp behind a bus.
Dude.
Whoever you are, you were risking someone's life just so you could get to your destination 2 seconds earlier. Note the black pickup truck. I just got this rental after a sideswipe collision, and while I'm driving, this genius almost T-bones me. Pickup truck almost rear-ends vehicle in front of him, then cuts across multiple lanes of traffic to exit, and almost gets involved in another accident.
It always sucks when your vehicle breaks down. I need to hurry up and get another one. I'm saving money. I got money put up. I'm slowly putting some stuff up.
Watch out, watch out!
Whoa! Yeah.
I almost hit him. I did all I could to prevent it, but his actions could have gotten him.
The fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck?
Waiting at a red light and notice police coming down North Belt Highway very fast. When the light turns green, I wait for the police. I was worried that when the left turn lanes got their yellow yield light that someone would go, and they did. Almost getting T-boned by the police. To the police officer's credit, they were able to stop in time. Doing 68 in a 65 mile per hour zone, coming up on SR 31 intersection.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Then as I get closer, they pull out in front of me, forcing me to slam my brakes to avoid a collision.
Oh my God. Okay, good. Hey!
Kid runs into the street in front of my truck. Parents not paying attention. It was enough that the author would have driven faster, or the child would have run faster, for a tragedy.
Ooh, I want him. I fight it. I have to use the restroom.
Driver makes a 3-point U-turn and changes his mind on parking apparently. Backs towards me, and because I lay on the horn because he does not respond to the honk, I did when I saw him backing up, wants to get out and fight me over his mistake.
You didn't give any signal.
Nothing came of this, although I went around. The driver of the Nissan clipped both the author and the driver who was traveling to the left. Who is right in this situation? I'd like to hear from you in the comments.
Fucking piece of shit. I got a camera on that.
I'm not trying to be an asshole, man, but if you don't know how to ride it, be careful, man.
I've been doing this like 6 years. This is my second sport bike. I had a Z1000.
I'm not trying to be a jerk.
No, but you passed me on the left. I have a video. I'll record the whole thing.
I'm not trying to
And
be a
you
jerk.
pushed me on the left, so don't.
Oh, I was just trying to get around you. I wasn't trying to be.
I'm going right.
I wasn't trying to be an asshole.
I was gonna go straight. You
it
came on
seemed
my
like-
left.
Hey, I wasn't
okay.
trying to be a jerk.
I'm going that way. I'm
I
fine.
was just trying to get around you, and you gunned
On
me.
the left.
Yeah, because there's 2 lanes right here.
I was in the left lane.
Well, it looked like you were going in the right. I wasn't trying to offend
It's
you.
okay. That's why I gunned it,
hey.
and then I want to go this
Hey,
way.
we're
now.
good. We're good. I wasn't trying to offend you.
I know.
I was trying to get around you.
I know it's Texas people, you know.
Yeah.
But I was on the left, and I don't want to block traffic. I had to get out of there because I don't have anything around me.
Hey, no, I just want to make sure you didn't think I was pissed off at you. I was trying to get around you, I thought. And it looked like you were trying to take the ride.
No, I have the whole lane, so like I'm on the far right of the lane because there's a left turn. I'm not taking a left. I was going straight.
Yeah, you're good, man. Hey, I'm not trying to piss you off.
All right.
Did not see this big truck coming at you?
Whoa! Wow! Wow! What are you doing?
Bad drivers caught on dash cam in New Mexico and Arizona. How the author could have been missed, I don't understand.
Whoa!
Has fall come to you yet? Thanks for watching.